Our top 5 best radar detectors. Number product. Radenso XP radar detector. Even by just looking at our list of recommendations, you can probably tell that there are just a few brands that dominate the radar detector market. Radenso may not be as well known as brands such as Cobra and Whistler, as the company was founded in 2012, but the Radenso XP is a great option with plenty of features. Designed to alert up to several miles away, the Radenso XP is designed to deal with today's modern technologies on the road, filtering out false alerts from systems like blind spot monitors, radar cruise control, and traffic sensors. It covers several bands including Ka, K, and POP, displaying all the necessary information through an OLED display. It also uses GPS lockout to remember common false alerts along regular routes, further removing false alerts. This unit also supports voice alerts with 260 different messages, selectable radar bands, the ability to display up to 3 signals, and has a built-in red light and speed camera database with lifetime free updates. Number product. Escort Max 360 radar detector. When it comes to radar detectors, the Escort Max 360 doesn't skimp on features or technology. It provides drivers with extreme range, state-of-the-art response time, pinpoint precision, and directional alert display. The Escort Max 360 features front and rear antennae that scan rapidly in all directions, taking advantage of the lightning-fast focus of digital signal processing (DSP) to detect faster and more accurately than other detectors. The Escort Max 360 has 5 levels of filtering to prevent false positives, combining 3 driving modes along with speed-based sensitivity, cruise alert, and seamless connectivity via Bluetooth to the Escort Live app, which gives you access to real-time alerts from a community of 3 million drivers. It also has a patented auto-learn technology that uses GPS to actually learn the route of its user, automatically eliminating false alerts unique to a daily drive. Number product. Uniden R7 Extreme Long Range Radar Detector. The R7 Extreme Long Range Radar Detector is a top-of-the-line radar detector. With built-in GPS you are able to mark geographical points where you may typically encounter radar alerts. Set alerts to notify you to speed zones, speed traps, construction zones, school zones, and other traffic issues as you approach. Once you mark the points, the R7 will announce user mark ahead as you near the saved geo point. The R7 voice notification lets user know what type of radar it is detecting, speed, red light, etc. Number product. Uniden R3 Extreme Long Range Radar Laser Detector. Despite its relatively affordable price, it's one of the less expensive radar detector on our list. It's one of the top sellers in the category. The Uniden R3 is an advanced radar detector with 360-degree eagle-eye detection for laser, X-band, K-band, Ka-wideband, and pop mode radar gun. It has 3 city, highway modes and filters for K and Ka bands to prevent false detections. Voice notifications allows drivers to stay focused on the road, while a GPS feature allows the user to get red light camera alerts, mute memory false alerts, or mark location. A color OLED display makes the unit easy to see. This detector also has a mini USB port so you can connect it to a PC for free GPS data updates. Number product. Cobra RAD 380 Laser Radar Detector Long Range Detection. The RAD 380 radar detector is the easiest way to drive smarter and safer. With next-gen technology now at a wallet-friendly price, get longer range and fewer false alerts than other detectors in its class. Front and rear detection. Cobra's new laser eye technology detects signals from both the front and rear of your vehicle, giving you all-around protection wherever your adventures take you. Long-range detection. Next generation updatable IVT filter and advanced anti-falsing circuitry intelligently reduces false alerts from blind spot systems and other vehicle avoidance systems. Early warnings. Digital signal processing provides faster processing for all incoming laser gun signals and rapidly provides accurate alerts, making you aware of a threat before it is right in front of you. Updatable software. Enhanced performance and accuracy is made possible with this detector based on its ability to receive continuous updates to the firmware, keeping you protected with the most up-to-date information. Everything you need. The Cobra RAD 380 radar detector comes with a 12 volts vehicle power cord, suction cup car windshield mount, and a hook and loop fastener for dash mounting, for wherever the road takes you. Thanks for watching this video.